Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn the simple steps to add new members to your WhatsApp community using the latest version of the app. Whether you're managing a school group, neighborhood team, or business network, adding members keeps your community active and growing. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and using the account that manages the community you want to edit. Once the app opens, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several tabs, including chats and updates. Tap on the one labeled Communities. This is where all your community groups appear in one place. Next, select the community you'd like to add members to. Once it's open, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a small menu. From there, choose the option that says Community Info. This section displays everything related to your community, its description, linked groups, and members. Now you'll notice an option that says Add Members. Go ahead and tap on it. WhatsApp will show your contact list, allowing you to select who you want to invite. Scroll through or use the search bar if you already know who you want to add. When you've made your selections, press Confirm. Immediately after confirming, WhatsApp will send an invitation and the selected contacts will become part of your community once they accept. It's that easy. If you ever need to repeat the process for more members, just follow these same steps. Keeping your community updated and organized helps make communication faster and more effective for everyone involved. And that's all it takes to add members to your WhatsApp community. Quick, clear, and completely manageable right from your phone. If you found this guide helpful, remember to share it with others who might need help managing their own communities.